Hello students, Sacred Art High School welcomes you. Today we will study chapter 11, Work and Energy, part 2. In this part, we are going to study about the different forms of energy. First, mechanical energy. Mechanical energy is the energy that is possessed by an object due to its motion or due to its position. Mechanical energy has two types, potential energy and kinetic energy. Let us study potential energy. Potential energy is the energy that is stored or conserved in an object or substance. This stored energy is based on the position, arrangement, or state of the object or substance. Example: when the rubber of a catapult is stretched and released, it comes back to the original state and the stone flies off. Similarly, when water stored at a height is made to fall on a wheel, the wheel starts rotating. In each of these actions, displacement takes place, which means that work is done. But from where is the energy obtained to do this work? The energy is already stored in the object. It is stored due to its position or specific arrangement. This energy is then used as and when required. Kinetic energy. Kinetic energy of an object is the energy that it acquires due to its motion. Let's study this by doing an activity. Take two balls. Let one of them stand still at the center of a table. Place the second ball on the table and push it so that it hits the first ball. What happens when the second ball hits the first one? When the second ball hits the first ball starts to move. From where did the second ball get the energy to set the first ball in motion? We gave energy to the second ball and set them in motion. When the moving second ball hit the first ball also started to move. Therefore, the energy obtained from motion is called kinetic energy. Heat energy. Heat energy is produced when a rise in temperature causes atoms and molecules to move faster and collide or bump with each other. The earth receives heat in proper quantities from the sun. That is how an atmospheric temperature favorable to the living world is maintained. Heat is a form of energy. Sunlight contains heat. Heat is also produced by burning of fuel. Heat energy is used in the kitchen all the time. Heat is measured in the unit calorie. Light energy. Light energy is a form of radiation. Light energy travels in waves and is the only form of energy which is visible to the human eye. The primary source of light is the sun. We have learned that plants make their own food with the help of sunlight. It means that light energy is transformed into the energy in food. Plants and animals use this food for doing their work. It means that light is a form of energy. Sound energy. Sound energy is a form of energy that can be heard by living beings. It is the movement of energy through a substance such as air or water in the form of waves. It is produced when an object is made to vibrate. Sound needs a medium to travel. Different types of mediums are air, water, wood, and even metal. You might have seen the glass panes of windows crack due to loud noise. Similarly, sound is used to control the movement of some toy cars. This means that some work is done by sound. It tells us that sound is a form of energy. Chemical energy. Chemical energy is the energy which is stored in the bonds of the chemical compounds. It is released in the chemical reaction and mostly produces heat as a byproduct. When wood burns, we get heat and light. Sometimes we hear a crackling sound as well. What makes this happen? The energy stored in wood is emitted in various forms through chemical action. Chemical energy is also required to produce electrical energy. Example, lead acid battery or the inverter batteries which are used in our homes. Hence, chemical energy is the energy obtained through the chemical action. I hope you have understood this part. Thank you.